In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Dunk City Dynasty mod menu for free. And yes, this method works on both iOS and Android. As you can see on the screen, this mod gives you access to all in-game hacks, including unlimited tokens, unlimited diamonds, and a full list of premium features. You'll find a variety of powerful options inside the menu, such as the speed hack, 3-point shootout enhancements, unlimited resources, and a lot more that will help you dominate Dunk City Dynasty instantly. Before we start, make sure your Dunk City Dynasty app is updated to the latest version. To check this, just open your App Store or Google Play Store and see if there's an update available. If your game is already up to date, you're ready for the next step. Now, all you need to do is scroll down to the pinned comment below this video. That's where I explain exactly how to download Dunk City Dynasty Double Plus Plus and access the full mod menu safely. Follow the steps there, and you'll be good to go. If this method works for you, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what game you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!